We'll show you 2 recipes in this video that will get rid of joint discomfort. Additionally, this will aid in reducing leg and back pain. Gelatin is the main component in these recipes. Proline and hydroxy-proline, 2 amino acids found in gelatin, are both important to a healthy joint fabric. Gelatin strengthens your heart and joints in addition to enhancing your skin and metabolism. It contains a lot of collagen, a protein primarily found in bone tissue. Gelatin is also highly advantageous for the heart's joints and muscles, metabolism, and brain function, as well as for preventing the development of bone problems including osteoporosis and arthritis. You'll use flavorless, colorless gelatins in this recipe. The dyes used in colored gelatin typically add poisons to our systems. This tasteless, colorless gelatin is widely available in most health food stores and most good supermarkets. How is the outcome of this therapy? It's very simple. Before going to bed at night, combine 5 grams of gelatin with 1/4 cup of cold water. Let the mixture sit out overnight. Don't place it in the fridge. This combination will transform into something that resembles jello. Eat this jello on an empty stomach the next morning. You can optionally add a small amount of honey or freshly squeezed orange or lemon juice. You'll begin to see the advantages after 7 days. Maintain this course of treatment for 30 days, then repeat it 6 months later. The second formula aids in joint and muscle strengthening, improving mental function, and preventing the development of bone conditions including osteoporosis and arthritis. This recipe contains a lot of vitamin C, which has anti-inflammatory qualities and helps in the prevention of numerous bone diseases. In addition to vitamin C, this recipe also contains manganese, which supports bone health and aids in the digestion of fats and carbs. Additionally, it helps the body absorb calcium and controls blood sugar. Manganese helps to produce collagen. Ingredients: water, 250 milliliters. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 5 grams of gelatin powder, colorless and flavorless. 2 cups of diced pineapple. 1 cup of orange juice. 1 cup of oats. Instructions: oatmeal is added to boiling water while being constantly stirred. Let it cool. Next, put the pineapple, gelatin, orange juice, and cinnamon in a blender to make the juice. Add the oatmeal next, then blend one more. Drink right away. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.